Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can color grade using LUTs on CapCut PC. So you are going to select your video, or just go to adjustment here. Actually, you need to go here first, select LUT and select import, and you're going to select some LUT files. So I just downloaded this on the internet, so make sure they're in like a cube file, I guess. And I'm just going to select one. You can select a lot, but I'm just going to try to select one. I'm just going to try this as a cube, and I'm going to import it. And to add it, I'm just going to press add to track, and it's going to add this LUT on my video. There's a lot you can choose from. You can adjust it as well right here. You can adjust the strength of the LUT. You can also select them from this tab right here. And you can adjust the temperature of it. You can adjust the hue as well, the saturation, the brightness, the contrast of it, like the highlights as well. You can also adjust the shadow, the illumination, and there's also a sharpen effect, etc., etc. And this is just basically how you can color grade using LUTs on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!